So we've exported the raw data from the TurboCAD file that was represented as lines with dimension. Now in Excel, that report is represented in rows and columns of data, what layer the part was in, what the part name, the length. This is represented architecturally. We had to write special code to translate feet and inches into, we'll say in this case, the part called area has a dimension of 4 feet, which is needs to be interpreted for this purpose as 48 square feet. So panel number 1, which is the thickness, is 48 inches or 48 square feet. The gauge of steel, the wall letter, panel number, if it's a copy, slab. So we had to write a macro to translate, to interpret all of this information. We've got over 4,000 lines of data, different parts of this project that were exported by the TurboCAD drawing. In the macro, in this case, there's a shortcut, keys of Control-T, and it generates the report of parts and pieces. And it needed to translate these architectural measurements into decimal. In the background, it's not displayed, but in order to organize, to sort these from longest to shortest. So first of all, by gauge. In this case, these are the studs, sorted by gauge, and then length from longest to shortest. So this information can then populate a cut list. So the over 4,000 lines is interpreted into about 50 lines of a cut list. So there's 12 pieces of this stud, profile, and gauge at this length. 70 pieces of L metal at this profile and gauge at this length. And an oversized and metal for panels that are more than 4 feet wide that will go in the press in a perpendicular orientation to what's typical. They require additional parts to be included in the cut list. So those parts are here. That's all part of this project. Export the data that is generated, and then the macro interprets it and gives us this report.